Now we invite you to a new world of Samsung ultrasound. We continue to evolve ourselves to provide unparalleled healthcare solutions, integrating with Samsung's advanced technologies. Our improved product will help your accurate diagnosis for patients. Samsung Quality Management Center controls 4 inspection stages, from design check to quality control. From the design verification stage, we simulate with a supercomputer and our repeated diagnostic system for product quality. We produce in a clean room environment with a high level of pollutants control system. Our changes with automated process help to improve product quality and image quality. Our trained professionals inspect and test under similar conditions of hospitals. We never take any of our processes lightly. All components are developed rigorously. Every single component, from a core part to the smaller parts, go through thorough inspection. Our ultrasound system passes more than 1,100 product quality tests. And finally, we deliver our Samsung ultrasound with consistent image and reliable performance. This is Samsung Ultrasound.